Hey there, today I'll show you how to fix the Spectrum router WPS button not working. If you are trying to connect a device using WPS but the button on your Spectrum router isn't working, don't worry, here's how to fix it quickly. Your WPS button might not work due to WPS is disabled in router settings, firmware issues or outdated software, physical button damage or router bugs requires a reboot. Try these simple fixes to get WPS working again. Unplug the router and for 30 seconds, then power it back on. Try pressing the WPS button again. Open a web browser and go to 192.168.1.1. Log in using the admin username and password from your router level. Navigate to the wireless settings, WPS settings, and ensure WPS is enabled. Then save the changes. In your router settings, check for firmware updates. Install any available updates and restart the router. Instead of pressing the button, go to your device's Wi-Fi settings. Select WPS pin mode and enter the WPS pin from the router level. If nothing works, reset your router by holding the reset button for 15 seconds. Configure the router and try enabling WPS again. And that's it. Your Spectrum router's WPS button should be working. Now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thank you for watching.